Family of courses in the cement industry. Present to you. A mechanism for wrapping the electrodes of an electrostatic precipitator, for the purpose of dislodging dust deposited on the electrodes is disclosed. The wrapping mechanism incorporates a pair of impact beams, between which collecting electrodes are suspended. The impact beams are so arranged that the beams slide on the upward-facing edges of a pair of support carriers secured to the precipitator housing. A drop hammer rotatable about a horizontal shaft wraps an anvil secured to the impact beam pair, thereby causing a horizontal vibration of the impact beam pair, without imparting any impact energy to the precipitator housing. An electrostatic precipitator, ESP, wrapping system. Wrapping system uses mechanical shocks or vibrations to dislodge accumulated dust and ash from the collection and discharge electrodes. This process is crucial for maintaining optimal collection efficiency, and preventing system failure in industrial air pollution control. How wrapping systems work. In dry electrostatic precipitator, particulate matter accumulates on grounded collection plates due to electrostatic attraction. The wrapping system periodically imparts kinetic energy to the plates to overcome the adhesive and cohesive forces holding the dust layer, causing it to fall in large clumps into hoppers below. A separate, often less intense, wrapping system cleans the discharge electrodes to prevent dust buildup that would suppress the corona effect and limit power input. The force and frequency of the wrapping must be carefully calibrated to ensure effective cleaning without causing re-entrainment, where dislodged particles become airborne again and reduce overall efficiency. Types of wrapping systems. Wrapping systems can be categorized by their power source and mechanism. 1. Mechanical wrappers. These typically use a large weight, hammer, lifted by a rotating shaft that drops onto an anvil, creating a high impact shock. The intensity is controlled by the hammer's weight and drop distance, while frequency is controlled by the shaft's rotation speed. 2. Electric vibrators, magnetic impulse systems. These use electromagnetic coils to generate vibrations transmitted through a rod to the electrode system. They are often used for the more delicate discharge electrode wires. 3. Pneumatic wrappers. These can be impact or vibratory types and use air pressure to generate the required force. They can provide a high degree of control over the intensity of the blow. 4. Acoustic cleaners, sonic soot blowers. These use high-intensity sound waves to prevent material buildup, sometimes reducing or eliminating the need for mechanical systems. Maintenance and common problems. Wrapping systems are often mechanically fast-wearing, and a common source of problems in electrostatic precipitator operation. 1. Worn components. Constant high-energy motion leads to wear and fatigue in components like hammers, anvils, and bearing assemblies, which require regular inspection and replacement. 2. Insufficient cleaning. Worn parts or improper settings, force and frequency, can lead to excessive dust accumulation on plates or wires, which can cause electrical issues like back corona or short circuits, reducing efficiency. 3. Re-entrainment. If the wrapping force is too strong, or the dust layer too thin, particles may be knocked back into the gas stream. This can be mitigated by optimizing wrapping intensity and frequency and ensuring proper gas flow distribution. Thanks for following the channel, Courses in the Cement Industry. And please help us to continue and provide more information by subscribe to the membership and inviting your colleagues to watch this channel.